I better find your loving.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So we're up on the road. I'm starting the vlog here. Today is Saturday. It's a long weekend. So with this long weekend, I'm not planning to do not much. But today we're going to Hobby Lobby and without the pan up on the road. We don't have nothing to do, so we have to find something to do. You see the weather bipolar, the whole of this week, I was in a short sleeve. What me know, sat there cold. You know, cold, but chilly. So, just have on sweat bottom and top, whatever I'm gonna call them, top here. I'm gonna call them top here, sweater top. So, yeah guys, let's go. Hi guys, so I made it in the car. I'm hungry, you know. I'm hungry this morning. I guess I'm gonna eat now, full in a gap. This one I had some ham. Bought ham at Walmart thinking that, you know, this ham would be good. I don't like it. I don't like it. And had some leftover dumpling, fried dumpling. You know, you boil a dumpling and you fry them after. Yeah. But it touched a gap for the moment. Now Tash hungry. Well, that was a long time ago. That was from after 10. It's 3:04 right now. And that's the thing. I have to push myself to come out of the house because it gets dark. Anytime it comes like 5, it starts wind down. Somebody corrected me from what I said in the last video, and thank you for the correction there. The thing is now, it notifies me on my work calendar exactly what is going to happen, but you know, sometimes you chat, you ramble garbage, you even ramble the wrong information, and that's okay. So I told you guys that daylight saving time started, it actually ends. So it ended and it starts in March. Yeah, because after the comment left, I'm go back go research, I'm go back go look, I'm gonna see it. So yeah, I want to go to Hobby Lobby to window shop. If I see something I go buy, that's just typically Tash. But I want to go to a window shop to see if they have like any nice vase, because I was watching a vlog and I see like persons going there and find nice vase. I'm just want to see what them Christmas stuff are gonna be like, you know. I mean, I think I need to start hopping on the train for getting Christmas stuff because people start decorating for Christmas already. It is November, early November, not even mid-November, and Christmas tree up and about already. And remember now, in the US, Thanksgiving not coming. So I would assume that people would have still be in the fall spirit before they jump in at Christmas so early, but I can't put up my tree so long. I will never put up my tree so long because when Christmas come, I feel like the tree up a long time and I can't go wait to get rid of it. And if you don't know me, my tree don't come down till sometime I'll March. Yeah, last year I never did it so bad. Last year I take it on about early February or almost February. So yeah, I need to get some curtains for my living room, so I'm going to see if I can fetch those too as well. But yeah, that's what's up for today. I'll probably will get something to eat. I'm not sure what I'm going. Babe gonna do film fishing thing. If you don't know a long time, that's his thing. He likes to fish. So we're gonna hit the road right now. When I get to Hobby Lobby, I'll let you guys know what the festivity at Hobby Lobby is really like. And oh, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Big up on yourself. Alright guys, let me talk to you. Guess what? I forgot to inform you, say listen, don't forget to Vlogmas come up, and I will be doing Vlogmas yet another year. It's about my 4th year doing Vlogmas, and I want to know what are seeing that I am no longer in Jamaica. You know, my Vlogmas content then would have been like different. So what are some stuff like you guys would like to see, seeing that it's a new environment, a new whole setup and everything? Even though I don't know, I'm always just I do the decoration and just I always do my Christmas morning special and all of that. Wrapping my gifts, sorting out my gifts, go and buying gifts. What are some things like you guys would really like for me to post during that time? Do leave the comments down below, because it's almost by your quint December the 1st, and trying to see how I'm going to cope with editing, but I'm gonna try. I don't promise a Vlogmas official Vlogmas intro this year, because I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do, or I don't know, but I'm not put an X on it. We're just not sure. But as I said, leave some comments of some things that you guys would really want me to post for like Vlogmas, seeing that I am no longer in Jamaica with the Jamaican contents. You understand? I know last year I think last year I did like what is it like for adults during grand market time, and you know over here it's not a grand market, but I think it will be different. But I don't know. Just leave your comments down below and I will definitely see what I can do. Just don't give me anything that is going to be work related, because I am not putting anything work related on this channel. Nothing like that. So nothing work related, you know. I'm definitely gonna do my decorations, because Tash haven't really decorated anything as yet in terms of house. Just the little 211 something to me do, that is not half of my capabilities of what I can do or what I love to do. So definitely a lot of house decorating, definitely a lot of furnitures gonna come in those vlogs, because Black Friday, so much persons told us wait till Black Friday, so that's exactly what we did. That's a plan that we are working with. Black Friday, to really see if the Black Friday grab is as good as how everyone talks about it. No man, I really have to get something to eat, because my eye them blurry. Right now, more some water. I'm not even water in my car. I'm hungry, man. Me hungry. Like right now, my Jamaican restaurant there, Greensboro, also, me would have really just go up there to go get some rice and peas and fried chicken. Me hungry. We can't take it well for fast food. Last night we went to Chick-fil-A, and I was like, babe, is this the same Chick-fil-A that I been telling you about, that whenever you come to Canada, whenever you go Canada with me, you have to try Chick-fil-A, And in Canada, Chick-fil-A did bust in, man. I'm not telling a lie. When we just moved over here, we've been having Chick-fil-A for like days upon days. When we just came, for like 4 days straight, with dinner, we lunch was Chick-fil-A. Last night, me Chick-fil-A, Mr. Odi, and I can't see him Chick-fil-A this. I'm not even eat out this. I was like, nah, hell nah. I feel like I'm gonna go for Greensboro, get like rice and peas and fried chicken, though, like one of them regular lunch food. No, you see, the last time, that's a Jamaican restaurant. What name? Reggae Cuisine. That is a Jamaican restaurant. That definitely. Why they like the pan green and this something now move? Why the vehicle need that much? When I go up there soon, but hungry. Alright guys, let me get to Abu Dhabi and talk to you. parking? Is this a parking or is this the road? And the road that our parking spot. Little space and I said, what going on so? I said, I will be festive people. No parking space. I want to say to me, I want to walk so far. Can I go up on the road? No, watch out. Is this a one-way road or not? Nope. I mean, I want to go so far. I don't want to go so far. I mean, I want to go to neither. So me I come out from here so. Because if I go to there, it's a road and I'll go through. If me have to walk on so far, then I say I'm not going there. The space is too small for my car. My car is a big car. It's true, honestly. Right here? No, that's not a spot because that's where the car. Oh my god. Let's see. Meeting at Abu Dhabi. Somebody could have told me, say, is a whole big excitement going on this place, yeah? Why in here so big and full up and congested and full up a whole heap of things to look for? You don't know what to turn. Confusion. Mega sure no. Listen, this is gonna take me more than an hour to walk out and look and see what I take, what I buy. I like these placemats, these table runner. Is it a full table? Oh, it's a table runner and not a placemat. Okay, I need this. I so need this. Do they have this in white? I was about to buy one in. I was about to buy a table runner in Ross for $12. I came and got it for excuse. Yeah, girl. Wish the color did more of white, but that's fine too. Okay. I got a set of these in Ross for $5 something much for one of them, $3.99. So the Ross one was a better buy. This is nice though. This is really nice. Hey, Abu Dhabi is where I should have been all this time. Mr. the flowers, yeah, like something like this. In a Wayfair, in a Ross, in a them store there for like $80, $60. This flowers is $35, you know, plus tax. These ones are $50. Still cheaper than Ross. I'm gonna see them. Oh my god. Who can't wait till then get paid? I don't know how it work, you know. I love it inside here. I'm happy I came. This different. This different and nice. Mighty God. I have those. Whoever made Abu Dhabi was thinking of me. When them that make Abu Dhabi, them that make think about me are people like me, because people like me will come and join my money in here. See Abu Dhabi with all of the good girl views them when I talk about. You know, these are potters. These are potters. But they do have nice waves. I'm gonna show them. I'll definitely try to get something like this for the dining room to put one of those potted plants in. Because they have, this is $20. This is so nice. Oh my god, will this be sold out when Black Friday comes? This is so nice. Man, my pocket above me. Talk to me there. This is 16. This small one is 10. It's it, my love, Ross. What I will love it, my love. I will love it, my love, my child. 50% off on these vase, craft and floral containers and vase. 50% off. This one here, definitely what I want. It's $20, so I'm gonna end up paying $10. Yep. Guys, Hobby Lobby have these mirrors on sale. It's $54.99, and this is the size of what I would want on the wall in the dining area. But this one is smaller. But what's the difference? This one is smaller and this one is more expensive, whichever way. But some definitely is what I want on the wall. And then I could get these arch ones for the living room, for like literally just put on the two sides of the wall. Let me see, because with these holes, with these, I think these would probably be too big. Okay, guys, they have these things that I would definitely get for like the Christmas decor for outside. I wish it was a bit wider though, but like I would put this down first and then put one like the Merry Christmas mats over it. Definitely. These are 12. How much are these mats? $14. Okay. After leaving this store, I'm going home definitely to do my listing of everything I need. They have these reindeers. $60 for the reindeer. I mean, not putting the reindeer to the next time I go out there, he gone. So I'm just finished with Hobby Lobby. When I go, I'm gonna show them what I buy. Me literally, I feel get something to eat right now. Hungry, I'll wet my skin. Right, I'm not even remember when I did something I got up on the road, like the old brain left me. Swear. I don't even remember. I said I was going to come to oh yeah, furniture polish. Which me gonna go Walmart see if I get a furniture polish there. Burlington would be a good place to go, or TJ Maxx, but I'm gonna see. Anyways, gonna do that and then head home. Baby did want something at Walmart. I'm gonna sure I'm gonna make it to Walmart. I'm hungry about it. Let's see, I'm Jamaican food truck where we buy from last weekend. It's the same place, and we are hungry and wax me. But I really got support them, you know. But guess what? They did me dirty last week, so I'm not gonna buy nothing. Cause this stuff ain't authentic Jamaican stuff, and I'm not waste my money. Me find something much fun find at Walmart, but no way. I gotta hurry and get home though, because me didn't bring no jacket. I only have on this and the pants that I have on and my coat. So yeah. Guys, if I'm hungry right now, it's a big foot me I got munch pan. I'm going to munch pan a big. I'm gonna buy one mango. Want something a mango. Hungry man. No sir, this is not right touch, but yes, I have myself. Guys, I got in the car. Can you believe I ended up buying one water for $2.33? And one case of water, it's $5 something. One case of water. What I think about 13, eh? But I can't manage to carry the water right now. So I'm just have to do what I have to do. Let's try the big tip first before I eat the mango. Both made one big years. I need one big foot, but I look for more plant and shit, but never none. Yeah, I'm gonna go buy one hot fries. Oh god. You hungry man? I think this mango is good. I know I know the mango like we have a yard. But it's not bad. What do you not eating? What do you say? You can eat if you want, but you don't want to. Mango and mango. Yard and abroad. This mango tastes good. in Walmart. Remind me you know the big you know the big red mango at Jamaica? The big fat red one them. I said they want a red too. But they're not big, sir. That is what them mango they remind me of. Okay. If that Jamaican food truck was busting, would I go down there right now? Cause them parking at Walmart, driving lot, parking lot. If it was busting, I'm not gonna support them right now. Right, no about their kicking. And a jerk chicken, so they said burnt chicken. Oh God. You all don't stop for a vehicle that are moving. I have to make sure I look good because only now put me in no trouble. Baby, call me, hold on. What you do? Mango sour. Sour. The mango is right with the salt. Guys, I'll talk to you guys when I get home. And I'll show you guys the stuff that I got from Hobby Lobby. I don't know Hobby Lobby. Nothing much not really going today. Not gonna go on tomorrow. Remember now left me yard. Just probably gonna get the water with babe. I need to make fish and chips. And I'm gonna use all of the aisle, so we're gonna need aisle. Can accept I left Walmart already. But that's about it. I'm not doing anything tomorrow. I'm too exhausted. This long weekend, because Monday is Veterans Day. So for this long weekend, I just want to stay home, watch TV, and rest. That is a megala. Get home, watch TV, and rest. Because I know what I do for Ackling. I am not into it. Not for this weekend. I just want can't wait for Thanksgiving holiday come too. Guys, for Christmas come. I can't wait for me to have to top walk. I'm reach over talk to you later. Alright guys, so I got this table runner. Hobby Lobby, $7.99. I'm gonna use it on the table, and I also got this vase. This is a really nice vase, and they have 50% off on a lot of things in the store. They have 50% on Christmas decoration, on vase, and a few other stuff. So if you want to go to Hobby Lobby and go shop around to see what you can get on your 50% off, go check it out. I did ask a representative how long the sale will be lasting for, and they say up to Christmas. So I got this for $10. Can you believe it? Yeah. Guys, me and babe there got home, and babe made his fish and chips. He did it for his YouTube channel too, so you can go check out the video when he put it up. I enjoy, what you call it? Freshwater fish. You might try scheduling brain for say no longer sea fish, it's now freshwater fish. So how you enjoying the fish in comparison to sea fish?
Sea fish, saltwater fish tastes way better. I don't know if until me get used to it, but saltwater fish tastes way better. Saltwater fish tastes way better, but yeah, still tastes good, still tastes like fish. But as you know, born in saltwater, so we have a love saltwater more.
Yeah, fish. If they're born in salt water.
Born and eat saltwater more.
Saltwater fish.
Cause you may touch food.
Alright guys. It tastes alright to me. Fish or fish. Me no mind. It's alright, nice to me. But you know, when they love their sea fish, I just say so. So yeah. Guys, it's Sunday and I'm cooking some curry pork. Start with some of the pot already. Honestly, I was gonna vlog this, but I totally forgot. So that's why I have some already in the pot already. I did burn some of my curry while some is already on the meat. So I'm kind of putting in the pot right now. More for hurry because I don't want any smoke, and then I have to turn on back the vent. So yeah. So I do got my rice cooker here. I'm gonna plug it in. Which one can I right here? Guys, out. You know where the one that one. Oh God. And I have my frozen peas, which I'm gonna pour in there. I tried to get my frozen peas thawed out a bit because when this is a whole lot of peas. When I don't, it allows the rice cooker to fly too quick, so it doesn't get the rice cooker to really flow in the way that it should. So it would be on warm because there are two functions. Everybody have a rice cooker. Anybody that has a rice cooker knows that not everyone make the same way, but most time it have warm and cook. So this one, when the peas, like I put the frozen peas in there, it really literally allows it to go to warm before the water dry out of the rice. So I'm put it on cook now, and then I have a little bit more icing, which is not too bad because I put warm water in there. So yeah. Alright guys, so I don't know, rice and peas and all that. Did I even said it was Sunday? So it is Sunday, and yeah, me finally I cook. I think since we have got here, probably this is my third time cooking on a Sunday. Kudos to babe, because trust me, I'm not feeling the cooking these days. And who wants to become lazy, that's a for your business. I don't care. I do the cleaning in the house and babe just cook for me. you know. Yeah, but most there tomorrow, Veterans Day, so it's a long weekend. I'm staying home and I am going to relax and just rest. Today I took a nap in the boat in the morning section. Woke up sometime after 1. I took a nap. I was napping, then I woke up. I'm say, let me feel something. Did I sleep? Babe said no. I said, oh, me feel like me that sleep. Babe said, because you did sleep. That is not the usual me. That is not like me to be napping in the middle of a day. I can't. Woke up, went to the bathroom, and went back in another section of the napping. So, yeah. Tomorrow, I'm gonna do the same thing. But I don't know tomorrow. Then Tuesday, back to work. So, yeah. So guys, even though my peas was frozen, you see how it's still red and rich in color. It's a long and stretch out. So from the video, so from the people them what do the rice and peas and when we buy from the food truck, I don't know what them use. I don't know how for them rice and peas have the color there. Alright guys, so I'm just here to end out the vlog. If you guys realize we went from eating to the next clip was that you guys saw that we went to a basketball game. We got invited to a basketball game and that was a different experience and so forth. Yesterday was Sunday, so after I done cook and do everything, I just go shower, get myself settled, and then we had dinner. So yeah. Anyways, this is where I'm going to end the vlog for today. I'm going to see you guys in the next vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button. And yeah, so far I've been telling me that I relax, and I have been relaxing all morning. I watch TV, and yeah. So I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Big up on yourself. Later.
So my
You got swing.